This is what the crochet hair looked like when she came in. The money used for it is already amortized. There's no doubt about that. We installed these logs 2 months ago. She did not even realize it had been that long, so I had to check the date to close the debate. I made these logs myself, and she was the first person to try them out. I want to launch a crochet hair brand, and this might just be my first product. What do you think about it? I still have to test it myself to make sure it's up to standards. Here is how I take them out real quick. I hold it with my two hands this way and do this squeeze-like motion so the hair I use for the installation lifts and I can grip it easy. If I go in directly with the scissors without doing this, it becomes more difficult to cut and I might cut the hair too. After cutting, I just unravel the bottom part and push it down to the point where I can see the loop from the crochet hair. Then I unravel the upper part too. At this point, either the natural hair comes out first or you are able to pull out the marley hair used for the installation. The crochet hair will just naturally fall off from here. Let's do it a second time. I hate when she does this. I hate when she keeps braids this long because I know she's just the type to braid her hair and never do anything about it till the day she comes back for me to take down the braids. I honestly do not like when clients do this. I can't be responsible for the health of your hair, especially if the only time you can take care of it is when I wash and deep condition and take care of it. I mean, I cannot take care of their hair that well. I cannot. Funny part is she's always telling me her hair is not growing. She's always complaining about her hair not growing. I don't even know what to do at this point. I've talked and my mouth is dry now. I've used up all the saliva in my mouth to tell her to stop doing this, but she doesn't listen. So I don't even know what to do at this point. I understand we have different lives and we have different activities. Some people are more busy than others, but I feel bad when a client tells me her hair is not growing well, her hair is unhealthy, and I know I can't handle it just in one salon visit in 2 months. I really feel bad. She already started taking out the mini braids. I just joined her and we did it real quick. If you've been watching my videos, you know I would never use water or a conditioner to take down braids. I believe it only makes already weak hair weaker. I was pleasantly surprised by how moisturized her hair felt. I guess the marley hair that covered the hair stopped the moisture from evaporating, if I can put it that way. Let me say, stop the hair from drying out. So I did not feel the need to add any oil to it like I would normally do. Once I finish taking out the braids, I make sure to finger detangle to remove all the gunk that's there. Do you see how much build up there is at that base? I try as much as possible, as much as possible to remove the gunk with my fingers. Have you noticed how I use the comb? I try to open up the braids, then especially when I'm already right at the top, I just try to open up the braid, then I continue with my fingers. I do not pull the comb all through the hair. I don't. She wasn't removing the gunk or finger detangling after taking out her own braids. So you can actually see the difference from the two sides. So I had to go back in on her side to finger detangle first. After that, I put the hair in 6 different sections because I wanted to detangle with the comb first before washing. I think this is a very important step, because if you add water to tangles, or if you add water while washing to hair that is already tangled, the hair shrinks up and it even tangles more. The shrinkage makes other hair strands to then add up to that tangle you have already, to that single strand knot you have already, and it makes the problem bigger. So I think it's necessary to comb the hair first before washing. This comb I'm using, I do not know why I have not gotten another comb. It's only when I'm already faced with clients, when I need to comb my hair, that I remember my comb is in this state. I don't even know how I'm going to remind myself to get a comb. Don't worry, this is not painful. It might look like I'm pulling her hair too much, but it's not the case. She's probably going to comment under this video to let you know that her scalp is doing just well. I did not hurt her. Don't worry. This is immediately after we washed her hair, and I just had to show you this. Look at these curls. Oh my god, look at how beautiful her curls are. So this is the hair she lost while I combed the hair and blow dried it too, and added to it is the hair that she lost while we're taking out the braids. So this is the entire amount of hair she lost. So we moisturized and blow dried, and she was ready to get braids. I do not like this either, but I don't have a choice. The client is king. We did a length check, so next time you're doing her hair, she can verify and tell me if it's really growing or not, because that is either going to convince her to start taking care of her hair, or it's going to convince me to stop talking about it. And I'm worried at the end of the day she decides she doesn't need to take care of her hair for it to grow. But anyways, I would have tried. That is all I have for you in this video. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. They can never stay the same. Stay around to see the braids you ended up doing. Take care. Bye.